How enzyme-based treatments break down septic tanks' solids efficiently. Maintaining a healthy septic system is essential for avoiding costly repairs and environmental hazards. One of the most effective modern solutions is the use of enzyme-based treatments. These natural agents help manage waste by accelerating the breakdown of solids in septic tanks. Unlike harsh chemicals, enzyme-based solutions work in harmony with the tank's existing bacteria, improving performance over time. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's how enzyme-based treatments break down septic tanks' solids efficiently. 1. Targeted waste breakdown. Enzyme treatments contain specific enzymes, like protease, amylase, lipase, and cellulase, that target different waste types, proteins, starches, fats, and paper. This ensures comprehensive decomposition of organic solids. 2. Boosting natural bacteria. Rather than harming beneficial microbes, enzymes support their growth. The more efficiently waste is broken down, the better bacteria can digest and process it. This synergy helps reduce sludge accumulation. 3. No disruption to system balance. Chemical additives often kill both harmful and helpful organisms. Enzymes, however, preserve the natural biological environment, maintaining pH balance and keeping the septic system stable. 4. Reduces odors and backups. Efficient waste breakdown minimizes gas buildup and helps prevent clogs or overflows. This leads to fewer foul odors and a lower risk of system failure. 5. Environmentally safe. Enzyme treatments are biodegradable, non-toxic, and safe for soil and groundwater. They offer a sustainable approach to septic care without chemical pollution. 6. Easy and preventive. Regular monthly use of enzyme products can prevent costly pump outs. It's a low-maintenance way to keep your system functioning properly. In conclusion, if you're wondering how enzyme-based treatments break down septic tanks' solids efficiently, the answer lies in their ability to work with nature, quietly, powerfully, and safely. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.